अगर 100 सीसीटीवी कैमरा लगवाए तो मैंने 1000 सीसीटीवी कैमरा लगवाए। आतिशी ने अगर 1000 लाइटें लगवाई तो मैंने 5000 लाइटें लगवाई। अपने काम पर वोट मांगे, मेरे बुजुर्ग पिताजी को गालियां देके वोट मांग रहे हैं वो। ये बहुत दुख की बात है।
राघव जी, आपने दो बातें थी। एक आपने तफसील से बताया कि आपने 4-5 ऑप्शन दिए थे चुनाव आयोग को, उन्होंने एक भी नहीं माना। दूसरी तरफ आपने बताया कि हियरिंग हुई, उसमें लोग आए और उन्होंने बोला कि हमने को कोई आपत्ति नहीं थी। तो ये दोनों बातें थोड़ी कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी लग रही है।
फिर से बताइए, हियरिंग हुई?
आपने एक तरफ बोला कि हमने जितने भी ऑप्शन दिए थे चुनाव आयोग ने सब दिए कि हम तो ये आपकी कोई बात नहीं मानेंगे। दूसरी तरफ आपने कहा कि चुनाव आयोग में लोग आए जिन्होंने आवेदन दिए थे और उन्होंने माना कि हमने तो।
मैं स्पष्ट कर देता हूं, कुल मिलाकर 100 से ज्यादा लोगों ने ऑब्जेक्टर्स की भूमिका में नई दिल्ली विधानसभा क्षेत्र में वोट काटे।
Years from Chief Minister Atishi ahead of 2024 elections. This is, remember, at a time of what Ramesh Bhuduri had said, that has she changed her father as well, and referring to the surname change earlier, she's been known to use a surname Marlana, which had more political, ideological connotations, and then she's been seen using Singh as well, to which Bhuduri says, how can surnames change like that? Looks like she changed her father. Now, he said, if I've heard sentiments, I want to take the words back. But right after making a remark on Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's cheeks, then a word and statement on Atishi's family, which she's jumped on and said, now by insulting my elderly father, aging father, BJP wants to also go ahead and win votes over this. To many who may not remember in 2019, Atishi had faced a similar status when there was this rift allegedly that there were pamphlets being circulated and something insulting was being said about her.
मैं रमेश बिधूड़ी जी को कहना चाहूंगी, मेरे पिताजी जिंदगी भर शिक्षक रहे, आज वो 80 साल के हो गए हैं। वो इतने बीमार रहते हैं कि बिना सहारे के चल नहीं पाते हैं। आप चुनाव के लिए इतनी घटिया हरकत करेंगे? कैसे बुजुर्ग व्यक्ति को गालियां देने पे उतर आएंगे?
All right, so in tears, she's saying, my elderly father, who can barely walk, has been insulted by the BJP. Fully in tears, Chief Minister Atishi. I want to go across to Shreya Chatterjee for the latest on that. Shreya, tell me what exactly happened in the press conference and what led the Chief Minister to break into tears?
Well, Pooja, this incident spirals from the comment made by Ramesh Biduri, where he implied that Atishi had changed her father, suggesting that she changed the surname initially from Marlena to Singh. And that was the kind of statement that Atishi was responding to in the press conference, where she visibly broke down, suggesting that her father is mostly ill, and it's unfortunate that such kind of a statement has been made. She also said that for all his life he's been a teacher, and this is the kind of discourse that she does not really find good about in politics. And earlier, even before Atishi responded, we'd also seen Arvind Kejriwal also lash out at the comment of Ramesh Biduri to also just put into perspective, this is not the first controversial statement made by Ramesh Biduri in the Delhi elections. He's also made a similar statement about Priyanka Gandhi while talking about the roads in Kalkaji. So clearly, Ramesh Biduri has landed himself in trouble, and this is a statement that is now coming in officially from Atishi as a response to what he earlier said.
Shreya, stay on with me. Let's listen in what exactly happened in the press conference that Chief Minister of Delhi then started to break down into tears.
मैं रमेश बिधूड़ी जी को कहना चाहूंगी, मेरे पिताजी जिंदगी भर शिक्षक रहे, आज वो 80 साल के हो गए हैं। वो इतने बीमार रहते हैं कि बिना सहारे के चल नहीं पाते हैं। आप चुनाव के लिए इतनी घटिया हरकत करेंगे? कैसे बुजुर्ग व्यक्ति को गालियां देने पे उतर आएंगे?
So what did Ramesh Biduri, who's the Kalkaji candidate, said that led to this reaction from Atishi? Let's listen into the original comment.
अरे ये मार्लिना, ये तो सिंह बन गई भैया, चेहरा ही नाम बदल दिया। केजरीवाल ने बच्चों की कसम खाई थी, भ्रष्टाचारी कांग्रेस के साथ नहीं जाऊंगा। मार्लिना ने बाप बदल दिया, पहले मार्लिना थी, अब सिंह हो गई। ये इनका चरित्र है।
All right, so that's what he had said, basically that she's changed her father, referring to the surname that, of course, that we carry of our fathers, that if it can be from Marlena to Singh, what exactly happened, this is their character, he had said. To me, it also reminds of 2019, a similar situation had erupted, even though that was more anonymous in nature, but certain pamphlets that appeared to be denigrating Atishi had led her to break down in tears in a press conference. So from 2019, 2025, not much has changed, because back then also the allegation was against the BJP, and this time it is a more direct confrontation of remarks made on camera. Shreya Chatterjee joining me for the latest on this. Shreya, can we see that the Aam Aadmi Party is definitely going to ensure this becomes the big highlight? It is the alleged insult to women and her family, even though Ramesh Biduri appears to have said.
I mean, if we see about this being used in the political scenario with the election around, the reason it will be fitting for the Aam Aadmi Party to also face up against this attack is because Atishi is also fighting against Ramesh Biduri from Kalkaji. So that's the reason why we will see this the attack being mounted by the Aam Aadmi Party against BJP even more. But having said that, the kind of discourse that this has said is extremely unfortunate. And this is not the first time that we're hearing such a statement from Ramesh Biduri. He seems to be now a repeat offender. It's barely been the statement against Priyanka Gandhi that he has made. And now it's about Atishi's surname change, where he's referred to the change of the father analogy. And now we're clearly seeing the way Atishi has responded. She seemingly broke down while responding to that answer.
All right, Shreya, we'll be tracking the latest on that. Looks like AAP-BJP confrontation is only going to get sharper and uglier in the days to come. And remember, the dates of the elections are not even announced right now. So let's see what happens in the days to come.